So, the official rollout of One UI 7 has finally begun. Samsung's first batch of devices to get the update includes the Galaxy S24 series, that's the S24, S24 Plus, and the S24 Ultra. Along with that, the brand new Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Galaxy Z Flip 6 are also part of the initial rollout. For those using the Galaxy S23 series, good news, it's also confirmed for April, although the exact date is still to be announced. The update will reach more devices in the coming months. By June, most other recent Samsung phones and tablets should receive it. This information comes straight from Samsung's official roadmap, shared with their member community in South Korea. Folks in the US expect to see it starting around the 10th of April, with other countries following shortly after. Now, let's talk about what's new in One UI 7. You'll notice some nice changes right away on your home screen. There are larger folders that make organizing your apps much cleaner, plus redesigned widgets that give your phone a more polished look. One of the most talked about additions is the Now bar, a handy toolbar that gives you quick access to things like media controls, sports scores, maps, and health tracking, similar to what we've seen on the S25 series. Under the hood, there are some powerful AI improvements. The photo editing tools got a big upgrade. You can now remove objects from pictures, and the AI will seamlessly fill in the gaps, like magically removing your hand from a selfie and reconstructing your face perfectly. There are also some fun new creative options where you can generate images in different styles, like turning a simple sketch into an oil painting. You'll also get cleaner audio in your videos and smarter voice transcription for your recordings. The camera app has been redesigned to be more user-friendly, especially for one-handed use. A clever new feature analyzes your motion photos to find the best frame where everyone's eyes are open, then lets you swap out any blinked shots. For videos, there's now an auto trim function that automatically cuts your clips for you, making editing quicker and easier. Samsung hasn't forgotten about foldable phone users either. The taskbar now hides automatically when you don't need it, and you can swipe up to bring it back, a small but useful tweak. Battery management gets smarter too, with new charging options that help preserve your battery's health over time. There are a couple of features that didn't make it into this update, like the S25's Now Brief Summary tool, which might come in a future version. Some features also seem a bit buggy right now, like the new device connection tool, but Samsung will likely fix these in upcoming patches. All in all, One UI 7 brings meaningful improvements that make your Samsung phone more intuitive and powerful to use, so keep an eye out for the update notification on your device. And that's a wrap on everything you need to know about the One UI 7 update. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more updates. Do you have any questions or thoughts on One UI 7? Drop a comment below. See you in the next video.